Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry before an exam. Start by quickly scanning your syllabus or notes to identify the most crucial topics and formulas. Don't try to learn new material. Instead, reinforce what you already know. Prioritize areas where you feel weakest, but that are also high yield. A focused review of core concepts will be far more effective than a broad, shallow attempt at everything. Active recall is your best friend for last-minute studying. Instead of passively rereading notes, test yourself frequently. Try explaining complex ideas in your own words. If you can teach it, you likely understand it. Practice a few representative problems for each chapter, focusing on the steps and reasoning. This hands-on approach helps cement information more effectively than just looking at solutions. As the exam approaches, shift to a strategic review. Glance over any summary sheets or concept maps you've made. These are excellent for a quick overview. Avoid cramming all night. Your brain needs rest to consolidate information. Short, focused study sessions, followed by brief breaks, are more productive. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep to ensure you're alert and ready. On exam day, arrive a bit early to settle in and take a few deep breaths. Read every question thoroughly before answering, paying close attention to keywords. Tackle the questions you feel most confident about first to build momentum, then circle back to the tougher ones. Remember, a clear mind performs better than an exhausted one. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals linked in the description below. Good luck with your exam!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.